Dang, look at those beautiful flowers. Those flowers look amazing. Hey, you wouldn't think you'd be dealing with this in Gilbert, Arizona. Hey, you guys know me, I'm no liberal heartthrob, but this is stupid. I'm gonna fix this right and quick. Why am I doing this? Because it's my neighborhood. Because I give a shit. Because right across the road, there's like 20, 30 kids and parents over there, all partaking in football today. Something tells me I should use vertical strokes on this one, not horizontal. This is equivalent to your neighbor spraying weed killer on your lawn. Probably a lot of people in the comments are going to be saying, yeah, white boy is fixing another white boy's problem. Well, I can tell you, this neighborhood, there's a good chance it wasn't a white boy. Well, it's not a dick anymore. But the other part that bugs me is not one person said thank you. Not one person walking their dog that was within 5 feet of me came by and said, what you're doing is a good job. Maybe they didn't know what I was doing. I don't think anybody was ready to cover it up either. It's kind of sad. Whether they're white kids, black kids, Mexican kids, I don't think it matters. They don't need to be looking at that all day. Well, that looks a lot better, and so does that. And those kids don't have to look at it.